the upright pyramid of numbers. So as we go toward apex, the number is decreasing. At the base, this number is large. From producers to primary consumers to secondary consumers to tertiary consumers. This pyramid of numbers is decreasing. Then second one, the pyramid of number inverted. Inverted, that's a cell, inverted pyramid. So, जैसे triangle है, towards apex कैसा है? यहाँ diagram में apex is at the top. At the base, there are producers. Top ला tertiary consumers है. So, exactly opposite to that, inverted pyramid is there. The base ला producer दाखवलेला आहे. It is inverted, right? उलटा shape खाली producers है. Inverted shape. Here in this diagram, producers are shown. Green plants or trees shown here. And primary consumers, herbivores, fruit-eating birds, or rabbit, mouse, who depend upon the producers. त्याच्यावर दाखवले herbivores, parasites on herbivores, lice and bugs are shown. So that bacteria, fungi, actinomycetes. Hyperparasites on lice and bugs. Depends upon this lice and bugs. This is an inverted pyramid. In this pyramid of numbers is reversed. Reverse है. आधीच्या या pyramid मध्ये numbers are decreasing towards up. Okay. So in this pyramid, inverted pyramid, number of individuals is increased from lower level to higher trophic level. The number of individuals is increasing from lower level to higher level. So यामध्ये producers इथे कमी आहेत. त्याच्यावर these herbivores are more than these producers. Then herbivores, parasites, which are more than these herbivores. And at the top level, the hyperparasites, which are more than the parasites. So these are increasing towards up. Therefore, it is inverted pyramid of number. So as we go up, this number of individuals are increasing. आधीच्या या upright pyramids of numbers मध्ये जसं लेवल वाढत चालले, जसं आपण वर जाऊ तसं ते number of individuals are decreasing. बेसला जास्त होते, टॉपला कमी. But in this inverted pyramid, it is exactly opposite to the upright pyramid. In this, the number of individuals are increasing towards top, and they are depending upon each other for their survival. Every level has its own food. They depend upon the lower level. Top level will depend upon the lower level. This is also called tree ecosystem. A tree, जसं झाडात जे मूळ असते खाली वेट कसे असते, जे मूळ असतात कमी असते, खालच्या बेसला साईज कशी काय असते कमी असते. तसं ते जसं झाड आपण वर जाऊ तसं ते फांद्या पसरत जाणार आहे. Branches of the trees will get expanded. Similar to that, as the tree grows, similar to that, this inverted pyramid is shown. As you go up, this there is large number of individuals are increasing. At the base, it is minimum. It's just similar to tree system. So in this single tree ecosystem, tree is the producer, forms a base of pyramid. Okay, झाडाचे जे मूळ असते, base from which it grows. So at the base, the producer should show base of pyramid, and large number of fruits which are shown at the top. Large number of fruits in the trees, apple tree or mango tree. The fruits, number of fruits that are shown at the top. Or as we go up, this number is increasing. Or say eating birds are the primary consumer. That are shown in this inverted pyramid of number. Then the secondary consumer will depend upon the primary consumer. Tertiary consumers will depend upon the secondary consumers. That is shown in this diagram. Inverted pyramid of number. Producer, herbivores. Herbivores will depend upon the producer. Then above that, parasites are there. Parasites will depend upon the herbivores. Above parasites, hyperparasites are shown. It depend upon the parasites. The inverted pyramid. The next one is pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of biomass diagram. Grassland ecosystem. Upright pyramid of biomass. इसमें सीधा inverted pyramid of biomass है. Upright याचा आपण अगोदर पाहिलं. Upright pyramid of biomass. The biomass में types है. In grassland ecosystem, the base producers are shown according to this, according to their mass, biomass. Base ला biomass जे असते 1000 kg त्याच्यावर 100 kg herbivores, 10 kg primary carnivores, with that 1 kg top carnivores. So according to the biomass of the various levels, that is according to biomass, this pyramid levels are shown. Then the inverted pond ecosystem मध्ये दाखवले. Pond ecosystem, how these numbers are increasing. Producers and primary consumers are shown. The inverted pyramid of biomass. Biomass is the organic matter or the total dry matter of the members of the food chain present at any one time per unit area of an ecosystem. The biomass कसं काढलं जाते? The weight of that, the number of the members of the food chain. Biomass is the organic matter. ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो जीववस्तुमान, biomass. The mass of that particular type of animal, the biomass of that plant, etc. The biomass is the organic matter or total dry matter of a members of the food chain. प्रत्येक लेवलला हे biomass हे चेंज होत जाणार आहे. ते कसं मोजतात? The mass of that chain present at any one time per unit area of ecosystem. Per unit area ला किती mass आहे, mass per unit area, that is the biomass. The pyramid of biomass can be represented in terms of weight of organism. The biomass कसं मोजतात? In terms of weight of the organisms at each trophic level. Each trophic level त्या मेंबरची वजन किती आहे त्यावरती the biomass is. The pyramid of the biomass indicates the decrease of biomass in each trophic level from base to apex. From base to apex, there is a decrease of biomass in each trophic level. या प्रत्येक लेवलला biomass काय होत चाललंय, कमी होत चाललंय. From 1000 kg to 100 kg, 100 kg to 10 kg, 10 kg to 1 kg. This biomass is decreasing in grassland ecosystem. The weight of the rabbit, the weight of the deer is shown in between 100 kg. Mass of the plants, trees, that is shown. Biomass of this plant is shown 1000 kg. And biomass of the bull or any other type of animal that is shown by 10 kg. About that 1 kg top one. According to biomass, these trophic levels are shown. Biomass production varies in different ecosystems. Pyramid of biomass may be upright or inverted. Don't have pyramid. Biomass upright and biomass inverted. Pyramid of biomass upright or upright pyramid of biomass and inverted pyramid of biomass. These two systems, this pyramid of biomass is classified. The pyramid of biomass upright grassland ecosystem. That's kind of the tree ecosystem. In grassland ecosystem, the first trophic level is represented by large number of grasses or plants that are called producers. The mass of this producer is maximum. Biomass of grasses is maximum at first trophic level. It is for decreasing to next trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level, fourth trophic level. This biomass is decreasing. So at the bottom, at the base, the biomass is maximum, and at the top, the biomass is less. So every level it depends upon each other, or as we go up, each level, trophic level, it depends upon the bottom level. So in a single tree ecosystem, tree is the producer, forms the base of the pyramid, and large number of fruits or seed-eating birds are the primary consumers. So this biomass is maximum at the bottom and minimum at the top. Then pond ecosystem, that is called inverted pyramid of biomass. So in this size of the organism, that per trophic level is smaller than the next trophic level. It is 11. The primary consumers, then producers, secondary consumers. Producer, it includes photoplanktons, atoms, or small fishes or small insects, etc. And above that, primary consumers are there, includes herbivores, fishes, small fishes are there. Above that, large fishes which consume these small fishes. Secondary consumers are shown. This is a pyramid of biomass in aquatic habitats or of inverted type. Then this combined weight of the producer smaller than the combined weight of the consumer. The weight of the producer is smaller than the weight of the consumer. Inverted pyramid of biomass. So pyramid of energy, we show the flow of energy from one system to another system from various topic levels. How this energy flow of energy occurs. Pyramid of energy. We show the flow of energy from one system to another system. This describes the overall nature of ecosystem. The energy flow is shown here. Primary producer. The different types of ecosystem. It is just like a pyramid ecosystem. So at the bottom, the energy is maximum 100% is there. Primary producers, it includes plants, trees, etc. And first level consumer, 10% energy flow from 100%. 10% will be consumed by first level consumers, then 1% will be consumed by second level consumers. This heat is shown here, it is transmitted. Third level consumer, 0.1%. These primary producers that will take light energy or chemical energy from the sunlight. 100% energy is acquired by the primary producers. This is the energy flow in ecosystem. How this energy flows? Arrow is shown here from 100% to 10%, 10% to 1%, 1% to 0.1%. In the top level, the energy is minimum. At the bottom level, the energy is maximum. This is the energy flow in a grassland ecosystem. The shape of the energy pyramid is always upright or triangular and vertical. So energy transmitted from one tropic level to another tropic level in upright or in a triangular form vertically is energy transmitted. So this pyramid of energy which indicates the total amount of energy flow. So it indicates not only the total amount of energy flow at each tropic level, but also the role of organism in the transfer of energy. क्या organism role क्या है? How the energy is transferred from one system to another system. The limit area, one statement of time per square meter per year. How this energy is transmitted from one system to another system. So this pyramid which shows the functional role, functional roles of the every tropic level of energy pyramid is shown in this energy flow in ecosystem. So this energy flow will take place from producer level to primary consumer to secondary consumer, and secondary consumer to tertiary consumer. In this phase, this energy transferred. समझ लगा? यामध्ये काय problem? So in both the ecosystem, in grassland ecosystem and pond ecosystem, this energy flow is shown from producers to primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. समझ लगा energy flow in ecosystem. This is a ecological pyramid or energy pyramid. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Energy pyramid or trophic pyramid. In a grassland ecosystem and also in pond ecosystem, this energy flow, these two systems can be shown from producers to consumers. This energy flow is shown. Grassland ecosystem and pond ecosystem. समजलं का? Types of ecological pyramids. Any doubt in this? समजलं नसेल तर विचारा, समजत नसेल तर विचारा. समजलं का सगळ्यांना? You can unmute yourself and you can ask, or you can ask in chat box. Okay. So here we will stop. Everyone give attendance in chat box. Attendance द्या chat box मध्ये.